My name is Rebecca Mink with Mink Shoes, and I'm here today to help you learn how to fix deteriorating shoes. This is something that's so annoying when you have such an amazing shoe and then every time you go to wear it and there's something wrong with it and you just don't have time to take it to the shoe repair and you always forget. So you can actually sit down and fix it yourself. You might already have some glues that you have for jewelry or different things, but if not, you can take a look and go get some from a hardware store. You can put some glue onto a plate. This keeps it nice and clean so that you don't use too much. If you're squirting it directly on the shoe, you can definitely overload. You don't want to use a lot of glue at all. You want to make sure that you use as little as possible because it does come out the sides and that doesn't work. Here's a pair of shoes I've been meaning to fix for some time. So this is falling off, and of course it doesn't need to go to the shoe repair. I can do this myself. So you just put a little bit of glue on the inside just to make sure that you've got it covered, but not too much that it's spilling out the side again. And then you just hold it down for a little while to make sure that it stays solid and doesn't fall apart right after, and make sure you don't wear it somewhere that's wet or run around too quickly because it does need to dry. So then you've got your shoe fixed if you have something like that. But there's other things that you can't do yourself, so you might want to take it into shoe repair. One thing that women always have happening to their shoes is this little nub on the bottom, the plastic nub. It always wears out and gets down to the metal. This is not a good thing for you to keep walking on. For one reason, you're going to ruin the heel of your shoe, because if it gets past this rubber point, you're definitely going to be in trouble and you're not going to be able to wear those shoes again. So take it in before it gets too far and get your shoe repaired to put a new little rubber on the bottom, and then you'll be set and ready to go.